really concerned if we get this thing really bogged that we'll never get it out, and this is where it'll live. Mate, have a nice early morning start. How far have we got on your map to the coast?
I reckon we got about 26 kilometres.
What's the bet? We get very close to the edge and the landscape's going to give us a bit of a hurry up.
Quite possibly, mate. You know what this country's like.
Well, mate, we've got a nasty crossing here, lots of sand. I reckon maybe you should sneak through first.
All right, just coming down your left-hand side now, mate. Hopefully the back doesn't touch. Trailer. Oh, hold there. It's good, all good.
You going to wait there in case I get stuck on this side?
Yeah, mate, I'll wait here in the middle.
Come on, matey.
No worries.
Okay, we're in. Now we just got to get out.
You might have to let a bit of air out of those.
Big 46-inch tyres are yours.
Yes. I'll get it into third gear and get a little bit of momentum. Come on, baby!
Size doesn't always count, mate. You're going to have to let some air out.
I'm just going to get a little bit of traction in a second.
It's going to make it easy for me now. You're tractoring that thing.
Yeah, I'm just flattening the sand out for you.
Look at that. Did you just see that? I did. Yeah, the key with the Unimog, watching you go and doing the speed thing, is not speed you want out of the Unimog.
No, it just seems to tractor. Hey, do you want me to turn around and just go straight off mine winch?
Yeah, let's do that, eh?
So rather than Simon scratching and carrying on through there, he can come as far as he can where he stops. We'll get the big winch out and just yank him up. All right, buddy, bring her on through.
You know, you can do it, you're 46-inch tyres!
And you make me get the winch out for nothing.
Oh, how good is that? I don't need no friggin' great Unimog winch. A good old Maxie. Good on you, Maxie. Uh-oh. The fence just stopped. Jase, we've got a problem. Mate, we've got a problem.
What's up?
The fence just ran out. I'm lost.
What?
Yep, there's no fence. Where do we go now? So now I'm half in Queensland and half in Northern Territory. That's pretty cool.
Moggy, mate.
Smoker time, buddy. Coffee time.
Coffee time. What happened to your cappuccino machine in the van? All gone, eh? I can't remember where I put that thing. I forgot. Well, I'm going to go. I found some bush tucker over here, mate. I'm going to go and get some.
Well, you go and have your bush tucker. I'm going to have my bush tucker.
All right, okay. You don't want any of me bush bubble gum?
Yeah, no, I'm good.
This is what I'm looking for. This one's absolutely chockers with what I'm going to call bush bubble gum. That's not what they call it, but I reckon it's bush bubble gum. Now, this here is obviously the sap coming out of the tree. Now, a lot of the time the sap will come out because a grub or a borer will get in there, and then where it makes a hole, the sap dribbles out. So if I were to live in the bush here, I could actually put marks or cuts in the tree, in the trunk of the tree, and I could actually get it to weep out and come and collect it on a regular basis. It's quite pliable, look at that. It's like bubblegum. Basically, hours of fun, but you can actually eat it. Now, tastes like, and this is a really good analogy here. Have you ever sucked a jelly bean to the point till you got to just the jelly? That's what this tastes like. But, all right, kids, don't just go out there and start ripping the sap off any old tree you see. Please don't, because it could be poisonous. Here, mate, I got some bush bubblegum for you. You can try it?
You find some?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool looking stuff.
Some bits are a bit chewy.
Not big bugger.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Bush bubblegum.
Where the hell did you find that?
There's a little tree over there. There's heaps of it.
Show us.
Just over that way. That one over there, mate. That's,
Oh, hang on.
What do you got?
Yeah,
Oh, there's a
what
snake
are you?
there.
What the hell are you?
That's an olive
He's
python,
olive
that one,
python,
yeah.
Geez, at that distance and that colour, he looks a bit deadly, doesn't he? He looks like one of those brown snakes or a taipan or something.
He's friendly.
Ooh, are you feisty? You feisty?
He's friendly.
Yeah, you're good. He's not lashing out. You can pretty much tell straight away if they're going to be friendly or not.
As soon as you touch him.
They either strike at you or they don't.
He's got a lot of ticks on him too. Look at that, he's covered in them.
He's too. I'll be bugged.
Better put him out of the road, mate.
Well, that's where he was going, on his merry way.
Here he goes.
Happy days. If you didn't know any different, that looks like a very venomous snake crawling through the grass.
See that polished glint on the skin? That gives him away straight away. And then, of course, the head.
Yeah,
But it's that silver glint with the sun. That sort of rainbowy sort of reflection. That's the olive python through and through.
Big mob of cows up here. Just doing a bit of mustering at the moment. Here it is, mate. Here's the crossing. Oh, it's very pretty.
Oh, look at that. That's pretty awesome, mate. That's fresh water too. And here I was thinking there's going to be this saltwater creek.
Yep. And
It was so close.
The bogging from hell. Look, it's even got a rocky bottom to it. It's like a causeway.
It is. It's a natural causeway.
I don't know about you, mate, but I'm going in. I need a tub.
Oh, it takes your breath away. We figure this little creek deserves a quick flick. Got him. Got a little sooty. Look at you big fat thing. Got him. You like that softy? Look at that. That's a fat sooty grunter. They're almost like the mangrove jack of the fresh water because they dominate the fresh water. They don't like to go into the salt. All right, buddy, I'll let you go, eh? There you go, look at that. He's happy. We discovered before that we were out of fence line. Now we are out of track.
That's as far as the track goes.
You want me to go in front?
Yeah, I reckon, if you go in front and mow it down. This is what we designed it for.
Yeah, I can see it. I can see what is a track. We can still make out the cleared line from the last survey in 1986. Small trees are now encroaching on the gap. How you going back there, mate?
All good, buddy, all good. Just got to keep an eye on the top corners of my van through the trees, but other than that, all good.
All right, copy that. There's a little bit more of a section up here. We got a dunk, and then I think I can see a clear way out.
Well, so far so good.
See the salt pans. I see the salt pans. You sort of go out the front, mate. It'd be a lot easier. I've done all the bush work. Now it's your turn to do all the see where it's soft work.
Copying that.
All right, so see that big clearing in front of you. If you start to track along that now, that's going to get you sort of following a big sort of salt pan. So to your left, mate, to your left, start tracking.
So far, this is great going.
No, man, oi, where are you taking me? I'm bogged.
You're not.
Went straight down there. So again, mudflats are not a good place to be. And more problems mount. We have done an airline somewhere
That's not good. You've broken an airline going through the bush.
and have now lost four-wheel drive. I'll bring the air pressure up first. That's four-wheel drive. That's full dip lock.
I can hear it, but I can't find it. It's up here somewhere.
Let's drop the air out of these tyres and get rid of this trailer, eh? And see if we can't drive out with tracks under all four wheels.
Yeah.
These things have run flats in them.
There's no bottom to this when you go through it. I'm really concerned if we get this thing really bogged, we'll never get it out, and this is where it'll live.
Oh, mate, I'm just going to have to build up air pressure. I'm going to load up the winch, and then I've got to drive off that a little bit, all right?
Copy that. Oh, he's popped out of the hole.
I'm just going to hold it there for a second and have a look at these tracks.
Oh, I can see you from here, you're good. Let me disconnect the winch, and then you can, like, zoom straight out. Hang on. You happy about that?
Very happy about that, mate.
But?
Very happy.
Let's not celebrate too much and put this winch away.
Good trailer? Yeah, I know there's a trailer there, but there's not a 12-ton Unimog
No, it's stuck in
looking
the
like
pass.
it's going to get bogged in the pass. Like, you know how that stuff works.
You coming?
She's coming. Come on, baby.
That'll do, I reckon. Just lift her up with a high lift jack and happy days.
Whoa. Oh, I've learnt my lesson.
Don't follow me across the salt flats.
Don't follow Simon. Yeah, I'm just going to go over to where the trees are. So, Simon tracks straight across to set up camp. The Mog, on the other hand, needs to stay on hard ground. I end up rolling into camp about an hour later. I'm glad we got it out. Got the tracks under, the winch, the whole thing, it just sort of came out, disconnect the trailer. Thank God for that. I'm beat. I've had enough.
Want full episodes of All for Adventure ad-free? Go to unleashed.tv for our full library of content.